Question. If you have curly hair, do you ever find it hard to stay in love with your curly hair because it's so much work? Or is that just me? Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another beauty video. Feels like it's been a minute since I've done one of these videos. In between a cross-country trip that almost took a whole month and settling into a new area, my beauty routines and my self-care regimens have taken a back seat, and that includes the taking care of the glorious curly hair. It's just been such a challenge to have my hair curly in the midst of all this stuff, so it's just been easier for me to keep it straight. But unfortunately, that takes a toll on your hair, and it also started making me fall out of love with my curls again. I found a product line that has helped me fall back in love with my curls and be excited to wear it curly again, to restore it back to the health before I started straightening it. So I'm really excited because this video today is sponsored by Nature's Protein Coconut Restore products. Sponsored or not, you guys know I'm gonna keep it real with you, and I'm gonna let you know in this video how I use these particular products to style my curly hair, and then why I love them and why they've been able to help me fall back in love with my curls. These Coconut Restore products are amazing because they are sulfate-free, paraben-free, and free of any artificial dyes, which is something that we all love to hear. These products are infused with coconut oil. With curly hair, you need all the moisture that you can get. There's nothing like a good coconut oil and products to help you get that moisture that you need. This is by far my most favorite product that I'm probably gonna mention to you in this entire video. This is the Coconut Restore Cream Conditioner Cleanser, and oh my goodness. It says exactly what it's supposed to do for your hair. Cleanse it and condition it at the same time. It's a 2-in-1 product. As a curly girl, I've tried several different kinds of cream cleansers. I co-wash. I'm sure most of you are pretty familiar with co-washing by now, but if you're not familiar with co-washing is a process where you cleanse your hair without stripping it of its natural oils by using a conditioning cleanser. So I personally will co-wash at least once, maybe twice a week, depending on what my hair is feeling like. And I've been through several different kinds of co-washing products. Nothing comes close to this product. It cleanses my hair, but at the same time, it makes it feel super moisturized. So moisturized to the fact where I don't have to use any other product. All I used was this to wash my hair today before I styled it, and I literally, after I rinsed this out of my hair, I brushed it with my wet brush inside the shower, and it was like I had just put a hair mask in my hair. Let me tell you what's actually in it. So it's not just coconut oil, it has coconut oil, babasu oil, and it also has shea butter, which is most likely the reason why my hair feels so hydrated after using it in the shower, and I'm just obsessed with it. Now I'm gonna take you back in time before the curls were popping as they are right now, and I'm gonna show you in detail how I style it and what products I use. We are out of the shower and ready to start styling this hair. Really important thing about styling curly hair, if you didn't already know, making sure that you style as soon as you get out of the shower. Now, because I'm filming, I did not start right away, so my hair at the ends are getting a little bit dry. We've got something to fix that. We have the Coconut Restore Texture and Volume Spray, which is not only gonna help make sure that my hair is not too dry before styling, but it's also going to help me achieve more soft curls and decrease the amount of frizz that I have in my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and take this and spray it all into the hair. Well, I just sprayed it on my neck, oops. I'm gonna start at the ends just to make sure everything is nice and wet. I'm gonna just take my fingers and rake it through so that it gets even distribution. And just keep going until I feel like it's damp enough, because you want that hair to easily glide through product while you're styling. It has coconut and almond oil, which increases the shine of your hair, so that is why it helps. Curly girls, we need all the oil we can get. That is for sure. Now that I have made sure my hair is nice and damp with that product, I'm gonna start styling. Like I said before, with the shampoo that I used, I have all the moisture that I can get in the shower. I usually would put a mask after I do a shampoo, but with that, I already have my conditioner and my shampoo in one. So I cut that step out. When I first tried their products, I tried to use just the gel to style my hair. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't the best, and I didn't want to show you guys how to style with gel because it's not what works for my hair. But I have found that using their mask works really well in styling my hair along with the gel and the texture and volume spray. So I'm going to use the Coconut Restore Keratin Intense Repair Mask on my hair, and honestly this is probably the best thing for me to do right now, especially because my hair is so dry and in need of damage repair because of all the straightening that I've done. I know that the directions say rinse it out of your hair, but trust me, it works really, really well when you do this. For my type of hair, this mask works better as a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, than it does an actual mask. I like really thick masks for my type hair because it just works the best that way. So that is why I treat this as like a leave-in conditioner. If your hair is a bit lighter than mine, this might be perfect for you to use as a mask and not as a leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit into my hand and we're gonna rake it through with my fingers. Make sure your hair is nice and coated. Now we're going to take my detangling brush and make sure that this product is evenly distributed throughout the entirety of the hair. To help you not pull so much on your hair, I also like to finger comb as well as I brush with the detangler. I mean, look at how shiny it is already. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm gonna brush all of my hair forward. This really helps make it easier for you to style. I always find that I have enough product in my hair when it kind of is looking a little bit straight at the ends and that it's ready to start with the next process of styling. We're gonna separate the hair into sections and we're gonna do the finger coiling method. Go through the hair, add more product when needed. You'll feel when it's kind of dry. I never like to start coiling when I feel it really dry. I know that the curl is not going to turn out the way that I want to, so I go ahead and add more product and then start coiling. That is the key. I like to curl outward. I just like the style that it gives me when I do that, but you can do whatever way you want. I like to save my bangs for later because that's just how I like to style my hair, so I push that to the back and then I'm going to start on the next side. Now we're ready to style the bangs. I just like to bring mine forward, brush my bangs forward, and then I like to finger coil in front of my face. I don't know why, I just find that it styles better this way. Alright, now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and flip up just a bit. There we go. Next, I'm going to use the styling and setting gel. This stuff has a really nice consistency. Just gonna take a little bit. My hair does not need a lot of gel. I'm gonna rub that in the palm of my hand and we're gonna scrunch with the gel. Start at the bottom and just keep scrunching. Take a little bit more of the gel and we're gonna go on the other side. Make sure all that hair is forward so that you're getting all of the curls and just scrunch. Now you're going to take a microfiber towel or a t-shirt if you don't have a microfiber towel, like I don't right at this moment. You're going to scrunch again to make sure that there's no excess product. This will also help you so that you're not dripping like I am on my shirt after you style your hair. And then you can like go out and mind your business with your hair being semi-dry already. Really helps. Look at how moisturized that hair is. Beautiful. I go ahead and put this to the side because that's how I like to style my curls. I like to have like a side part, and you can style obviously however way you want, but that is what I do. I'm gonna take a little edge brush and put down my edges. What's really nice about the gel, so you can do that with the gel. I'm just gonna put it on top. Push down those edges, make them smooth. there you go. So that's how I style my hair using the Coconut Restore products. I'm absolutely obsessed with the amount of moisture and hydration that I'm able to get from these products. Number one, it's really helping resurrect my hair from all the damage of straightening, and it's something I highly recommend if your hair is in need of moisture, which sometimes you don't even realize your hair needs more moisture until you actually get that moisture, and then you're like, oh, that's what my hair needed all along. Just a side note, the smell, it's so good. Just coconut. It smells like coconut. I feel so tropical, and I love that. You guys know I love smells, so I really like the smells of these products. It's not overwhelming though, which is important, especially when you're dealing with coconut, because sometimes it can be very overwhelming, but this is a perfect combination. My favorite thing to do is let my hair air dry. I find that I get the absolute best results when I allow my hair to air dry versus when I diffuse it, so that is what I'm gonna do. I'll catch you in a bit. So this is what we're looking like after it's fully dried. I am super happy with the results. I honestly have not felt this beautiful with my curly hair in quite a bit of time, and I'm really excited that I feel so good with it. I just love that there's so much volume, yet at the same time my curls are still pretty defined. The best thing about it, you can't tell now, but when I'm outside my hair just glistens. It's so shiny because of all the coconut oil. It's amazing. So my hair feels super hydrated. I'm confident that this is going to last me quite a bit. So yes, what do you think? I'm really excited about my results. I'm so happy that I found products to help me to fall back in love with my curly hair again. And I hope that you guys will find the same if you try out these products yourself. So of course, I'm going to be leaving all of the information in the description box for you to check them out. But also, I have something very exciting. I'm hosting a giveaway here. I'm so excited. If you're interested in possibly winning some of these products, go ahead and take a look in the description box to see the instructions and how to enter this giveaway and how you can have the chance to win some of the Coconut Restore products and try it for yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more curly content. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.